Hi, I'm Sia and I'm a community chef with Just Food, and today at the Echo Station of New York on Make the Road Garden we did a cooking demo with some of the Make the Road staff and members of the community. We made a fresh corn salad with corn off the cob, and so I demonstrated how to take the corn off the cob. We had red bell pepper, we had green bell pepper, then took off the charred part, chopped it up, and made this really delicious salad with tomatoes and garlic, scallions, fresh basil, some lime juice, just a little salt and pepper, and that's basically was it. One of the things I always do when I do the demos is try to talk about some of the health benefits of the foods that they're eating. We had the hot peppers in there. It's been said that it's good for high blood pressure, and just eating raw is good for the digestive system, and so I try to share those things with them. Another good thing about it is this is the hot summer, and this is a way for them to cook something without cutting on the stove really, and they could add other proteins to it to make it a complete meal. Like they could do black beans, they could do quinoa, and the participants, they really enjoyed it.